Hi guys, welcome to We Express Sports, and we are here to review game number three, where there was a comeback finally by the Heat. They defeated the Lakers 115 to 104. Speaking of comebacks, we have a Heat's fan who has come back after a long time. We have Akshay Reddy here with us. Welcome, Akshay. Welcome, Steve. So, Reddy, I'll try to start with you. What do you think about the game? Heats came back after 2-0, after being 2-0 down. What are your first views on the game?
Uh, it was a great game, first of all. And each quarter, they outscored the Lakers. So I think it was the plus point for them. Outscoring Lakers in each quarter is like the best thing they have done in this match. Coming to Jimmy Butler's performance, man, one of the best performance of his career, scoring 40 plus 11 rebounds and 13 assists. Although it was like one of the best moment of his career. I think one of the best match, one of the uh, uh, best thing happened to him. I think. Uh, and one more thing I can say that it is his first career playoff triple double, and he outscored in every category uh, LeBron James LeBron James score. So it was the best match of his career. I think I can say. And coming to uh, the other players, uh, they have to they had stepped up, but I think there is possibility of improvement. Like Taylor Hero, Lera, I mean shots, Lera 18 shots, Lera mar, she's only six are going in. So it I think it has to improve. Uh, I think they are mostly not concentrating on rebounding. Heat are not concentrating on rebounding. I don't know why the rebounding is less. In offensive, rebounding is less. I think they are not uh, boxing out Lakers players. Mostly they are because of their height, they can't do that. I think. But because Bam Adebayo will be back, I think the next match. So I think we can control offensive rebounds too. Um, that's it. Overall, it was a great game. I can say. I thought second game they played real. Means second game, say third game, it was better. Coming from first loss, second loss, third was greatest win. I think. Controlling AD in the first quarter, and that was phenomenal defense in the first quarter.
Okay, coming to Steve now. Like we mentioned actually in game two review, we were expecting Lakers to take away the game if Bam Adebayo was not back. What do
Yeah.
you think happened with the Lakers? I mean, they had Heat was injured, they had players injured. Bam Adebayo was supposed to be the only person who could stop the Lakers, but the Heat managed to still take away the game. What do you think happened to the Lakers there? Where did they fail?
I think it's very embarrassing. It's like losing, in the game three by 9 points. That too, when they were missing two of its best players. I think they could have done well. I think they need more from LeBron and AD because people now, the Lakers fan, look up to them as Kobe and Shaq.
Yeah.
So I think they have to live up to their expectations. I think it was a very bad performance from. It was a decent performance, I must say, because for Davis, I think he shot the least amount of attempts he did in the last match, and defensively also LeBron James was not playing too well. So I think at the crux moments he gave up a lot of shots, as in he didn't defend Butler, the great Butler, well last in the last game. I think he will do it in the next game, but I think Bam will come in the next match, and I think he will actually toughen the situation for Lakers. So I think they have to give their A game in the next match so that they can win. It will
As
not
you
be
pointed,
easy.
out, see defensively, I don't think the Lakers were up to their mark.
Yeah,
We did see throughout the game that the Heat were getting to the basket quite easily. I mean, their
yeah,
passes to the center were quite smooth and easy for them. And Jimmy Butler, of course, was on fire, so no one could stop him that game. But you
yeah.
expect that from a 7-footer like AD and LeBron with their height advantage that
Exactly.
they get more impact on the defense front. But unfortunately, that was not the case. Let's talk about offense from the Lakers. I mean, we saw LeBron with 25 points. That's true. But AD was not at the top of his game. He just scored 15. And do
Hmm.
you think there is some sort of dependency on AD too much? As since he didn't score and the Lakers were not able to, convert their points. Do you think there's too much of a dependency now on AD as a player?
Yes, actually, the main thing that, the problem in the game three was, he didn't actually attempted a lot of shots. He was actually taking it very easy, I suppose, according to me. I think he should have given more to the game. And I think this duo is being dependent. मतलब like Lakers के पूरे जितना भी इस साल हुआ है, as in इन दोनों पे depend किया है पूरा journey. So I suppose they need to stand up on this moment of time, and they have to perform. They don't have any choice. And apart from these two, I think Kyle Kuzma performed very well, and he stood up when it was needed. But I think it was not, troublesome for the Heat. So I suppose these two players have to do it for sealing the game in the next two matches.
Okay. Reddy, I would like to ask you, what do you think about the next game? Do you think Heat will be able to just match up with the same offensive strength? Do you think Bam Adebayo is going to change the game and keep level the series, help Heat level the series, or do you think Lakers are going to come back and give them a tougher fight?
Lakers के लिए
Weakness तो difficult
के
है.
लिए
All
मीन्स
right.
They
लेकर्स का
didn't perform
वीकनेस
as well
या
as they
या
could.
लेकर्स का वीकनेस तो ऐसे कुछ नहीं है मीन्स they should not perform. That's the thing. If they didn't perform, then then Heat are going to take advantage. But ऐसे बोल सकता हूँ they are too dependent on AD and LeBron James. If AD performs, then they are going to win. If not, it's going to be a tough game for them. Uh, Last match, I think bench came up. I think they scored nearly 50 to 51 points. I think
53 points.
51
Yeah,
points.
yeah.
So I don't think they are going to score that many points in the next match because Dam coming up and it's going to be a tough matchup. So AD has to step up. उन लोगों का weakness वही होगा because they are dependent on two people. That's the weakness. And coming to Heat का ऐसे बोल सकता हूँ Jimmy has to play phenomenal. Means he has to repeat game 3 again. And Dam coming in, okay. He is coming from injury, so उतना impact नहीं हो सकता है. कर सकते हैं. I don't know. Maybe we have to see. Injury के बाद में आ रहा है ना. So उसके बाद I think Taylor Hero and Kelly Olynyk has to play their own game. What they are doing in game 2, game 3, they have to do the same. Shooting 3-pointers. Even then, it's not going in. They have to try and make the shots. Coming to Iguodala and Jay Crowder, they're doing their job. They are doing their role. Defending LeBron and defending AD. So I think if everyone stick to their things what they have to do, then Heat are going to win the next match and level the series.
Okay, big claims from Reddy there saying that Heat are going to come back and Bam is going to be able to defend AD and LeBron with ease, apparently. Let's see how that game goes. Steve, I would like to ask you your final comments. What do you think the Lakers have to do? I mean, do you think defensively they are going to be okay, or is it the defense that they have to work on primarily? What do you think is their weakness right now?
I think just they have to do their basics. We know Lakers are very strong in front of Heat, so I suppose they just have to do their basics. They definitely have to go and watch something from the match third. They need to learn from it. And as you know, Lakers are very less prone to losing two matches in a row. So I suppose they will actually learn from this lesson, learn from this, and then they will bounce back definitely. They'll
No
win
worries,
the
हो
game
जाएगा.
game five.
So I think that's
Koई नहीं
looks Lakers fans are quite confident, and the
Yeah.
Heats have some sort of pride in themselves.
ऐसा लगना चाहिए ना कि finals है. It should look like a final, right? So they should have won one game. So this was the game they were supposed to win. So okay.
Okay.
Well played
Okay,
Heats.
okay. Then competitive होना चाहिए ना भाई.
Before things get too heated up, I think we should call it a day. We are expecting. I'm sure we're going to expect a good game 4 now. And let's
Yeah.
see how it go ahead. See you guys.
Come on Heats. Come on.
Hey, Lakers.